Tapos pag hindi ka naman magparamdam kasi tinatago mo yung mystery, sasabihin ka na ang boring naman ito. Wala na, pinis na, wala nang mapili talaga. When I said being mysterious, hindi ko sinabing hindi ka na magpaparamdam, sigarilyo. What I meant was be mysterious in a way na you should not be an open book to her. Let her do the unraveling herself. Let her ask the questions that she wants to know about you. Hindi yung ikaw na mismo yung nag-o-offer na information about yourself without her even asking. Kunwari, nag-uusap kayo. Tinanong mo siya, o anong course mo? Sasabihin ni girl, HRM. Tapos ikaw naman, sasabihin mo, HRM. Goods yan. Ako naman nag-engineering ako kasi alam ko maraming pera dyan. At saka yung tatay ko, engineering din dati yan eh. Pero ngayon retired na kasi nag-away sila ng mama ko dati noong 1944. Tapos hindi na napatawad. Ang ending yung ate ko pumunta naman sa Mapua. Tapos hindi siya nakapag-graduate kasi nabuntis siya ng BF niya. Kaya hindi na siya natuloy sa pagiging. Huwag ganon, sigarilyo. Let her do 80 to 90% of the talking. Because it's a scientific fact na women love to talk. And we should let them. Also, what I mean by being mysterious is, and this is really important guys, you should not lay the cards on the table kaagad, especially when it comes to your feelings about her. Yung iba kasi, second date pa lang nila ni girl, nagko-confess na kaagad sila ng love dun sa babae. Sasabihin na kaagad ni guy na, alam mo, pag maging tayo, hindi kita lulukuhin. Guys, don't do this. Trust me, bababa yung interest sa inyo ng mga babae once you do this. Bakit? Wala na kasi yung mystery eh. Boring na. It's like telling her the end of the movie that she never saw. Bakit ka pa manonood ng movie na yon? Alam mo na yung ending, di ba? Spoiled na. Yung mga babae kasi, if you want to engage them emotionally, always remember na it's a process. Kailangan nilang ma-excite. Kailangan kanilang isipin kung ano yung gagawin mo next. The general idea here is to make them anticipate what your next move is. Ngayon, kung nawala na yung pagka-mystery mo, nasa na yung anticipation doon ng babae? Wala na. Well, I hope nakatulong sa inyo and follow for more. And if you guys want to get my help personally, the quickest way is for you to book a one-on-one phone coaching session with me. You can do that by clicking the link in my bio if you're on TikTok. Pero kung nasa YouTube ka naman, the link is in the description box below. Peace.